Good morning, guys. So I just want to show it to you that starting now for the demobilization here in Sharma. So see, they are starting to the point at the end there. Actually, this is the room of Mr. Sabri. So they are starting to moving. See, the truck is here for the loading. Here's there. Yep. So look at that. We're starting now for the demobilization of the cabin here. Look. Yes. This one starting to immobilize. Ano, sir? I-vlog yung ba? Vlog.
Bakit vlogger ka na rin?
Shit, just small vlogger.
Nakita mo yung